prove that vector A plus 2 into vector B dot 2 into vector A minus 3 into vector B. This is equals to 2A square minus plus AB cos theta minus 6B square. LHS is equals to RHS. You have to prove. This is the given question. Right? ಏನಿದೆ ಎರಡು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆ, ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಎ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿ. ಏನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಕಮ್ಯುಟೇಟಿವ್ ಲಾ. ಎಸ್, problem taken ma. You have to prove LHS is equals to RHS. Then first consider LHS. Solution LHS is equals to ಏನಿದೆ LHS? vector A plus 2 into vector B dot 2 into vector A minus 3 into vector B. Right? Now just multiply vector A into 2A, again vector A into minus 3B, you will get the result. Multiply madana. Vector A dot 2 into vector A. Next plus, now here A into plus into minus minus vector A into 3 into vector B, again plus into minus minus 2 2s are 4, B bar dot A bar, again plus into minus minus 2 3s are 6, B bar dot B bar. So here 2 take common or 2 take outside, A bar dot A bar, the vector itself dot vector, what you will get? A square. Next here 3 into A bar dot B bar plus 4 into B bar dot A bar minus 6 into B bar dot B bar means B square. Now see here 2 into A square minus here 3 right as it is, A bar dot B bar and 3, AB cos theta, AB cos theta plus again 4 BA cos theta minus 6B square 2A square minus plus 4 AB BA both are same, then you can write here AB cos theta. So 4 AB cos theta ಒಳಗ minus 3 AB cos theta minus ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ plus AB cos theta, next minus 6B square. This is the RHS, 2A square plus AB cos theta minus 6B square. So by applying the dot product you can calculate here, that is plus 2B bar. It is understood now how to solve, or can I explain once? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ okay, we'll go for next problem. If you are not understood, I will explain once. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. LHS is equals to RHS. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬೈ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. Next question. If vector R is equals to A bar plus B bar and theta is the angle between A bar and B bar, prove that R is equals to under root A square plus B square plus 2ab cos theta. Right. Again, there is a question. Resultant R is given. That resultant R is equals to a bar plus b bar, and theta is the angle between vector A and B. You have to prove R is equals to under root this one. Right. Now, what is the given hint here? Vector R is equals to vector A plus vector B. Right. See here, vector C is there. There are two vector C's are there. If I am multiplying the dot product with the same vector, so again vector C dot vector C, and this can be multiplied by vector C dot C. Madabodalla. Similarly, I can multiply the same vector with the same vector. Same vector madabodalla. A bar dot A bar, already you know. Similarly, take one more, that is A bar plus B bar. Now add it. So again dot product apply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? R bar is equals to dot A bar plus B bar. Now R dot and R vector R into R ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? R square is equals to this will be dot. Now we can expand distributive law. Expand ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮಾಡ್ರಿ without seeing board, do yourself, everyone. Just ಒಳಗಡೆ multiply ಮಾಡಿ. Distributive law, everyone. Don't see the board. Again, vector A dot vector A gives what? Directly I can write or step by step. ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? Finished? Did you got the answer? Yes, I have finished. Just check the result. See here, up to this step it is clear to all. Vector R dot vector R gives what? R square. Again here you have to multiply inside the bracket. Here vector A dot vector A gives what here? A square. I have written clearly one more step here. Just vector A dot vector A and this vector into this vector B, again this vector into this vector, again B bar dot B bar. Now A bar dot A bar antandre A square. Here A bar dot B bar antandre apply the formula AB cos theta, and again B bar dot A antandre AB cos theta, both are same, and B bar dot B bar andre B square, and here you can write order wise, that is A square first, then write this B square. Here AB cos theta both are there, then you can add it to cos theta, take this square to RHS, this will be square root under root A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Clear? Right here, prove that, and always you have to write LHS is equals to RHS. So total how many properties are over now? 3 properties, na? Dot product properties 3 or 4? Then take a fourth one. Dot product of orthogonal unit vector. Orthogonal unit vector means take a 3 Cartesian coordinates x, y, z. This will be origin along x axis, which is unit vector. I cap along y axis, j cap along z axis. This will be k cap. Ready now? Now first one, vector I cap dot I cap gives what? Vector I cap dot I cap. Same. First write magnitude of this one, again magnitude of second one into cos theta. Here cos theta is always 0, then cos 0 is 1 theta, right? This magnitude of I can be written as simply I into I. This is cos 0, and already you know that cos 0 is 1. Then answer will be I into I square into 1. Then I square value 1 into I square andre again I square. Always unit vector antandre I j cap value ಏನು ಇರ್ತದೆ 1. Again this will be 1 square ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1 only. ಇದು ಒಂದಕ್ಕಷ್ಟೇ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ I cap into I cap. What is the answer? 1. Similarly j cap into j cap. Magnitude of j cap cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. Again j cap into j cap. What you will get, ma? This will be 1. J cap square. J cap, j value is 1. Again 1 square antandre 1 only. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆನಾ? Similarly for k cap into k cap, what you will get? 1 ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್. ಸೊ ಫೇರ್ ಬುಕ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಬರೀರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಓದಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತಂತ. ನಾವು ಬರೆಯೋದತ್ತು ನೀವು ಬರೆಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತದ. ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇಂಟು ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಕಾಸ್ 0 is 1. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, that will be 1, right? This is a one set. Next go for another set. Now you are doing a dot product with the different unit vectors. Stop writing, just have a look on board. See here, I am considering vector A. Instead of vector A, I am considering a unit vector. This unit vector with respect to unit vector J. So angle between these two is how much? Angle between these two vectors 90 degree. Okay, right here unit cap dot j cap, that is I cap dot j cap gives magnitude of I cap, magnitude of j cap into cos theta. So cos theta is how much? 90, and this magnitude of I can be written as simply I cap into j cap into cos 90. Cos 90, it is 0. Cos 90 is 0. Then I into j into 0. What you will get? 0. Similarly, it is j cap dot I cap under say. See here, a bar dot b bar is equals to b bar dot a bar. Already we have proved, because it is a commutative law, it obeys a vector addition. Yes. Similarly, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ A ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದ I cap, this is j cap. You can write j cap dot I cap ಬರಿಬೋದಲ್ಲ. So both answer will be 0. Is it clear or not? Next, now take j cap dot k cap, because all the three orthogonal unit vectors are mutually perpendicular to each other. ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಏನದಾವು 90 degree perpendicular. Now you are comparing this j vector with this k, that j cap into k cap. This gives what? Right here, magnitude of this j, magnitude of this k cap into cos 90. Cos 90 is 0. Yes or no? Similarly for I cap into k cap, what you will get, ma? These two. Magnitude of I cap, magnitude of k cap, cos 90. This will be 0. ತಿಳಿತಾ ಹೇಗಂತ? The dot product with itself gives what? 1. The dot product with another vector gives what? 0. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. I cap into I cap gives what mark? 1. Next j cap into j cap gives 1. K cap into K cap, that is 1. How do you look? Clear? Now I cap into j cap is equals to j cap dot I cap gives 0. Similarly j cap dot K cap, K cap dot j cap gives 0, and I cap dot K cap and K cap dot I cap gives 0. Clear? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಅದೆರಡು? Take a problem. Dot product of two vectors in Cartesian form. Dot product of two vectors in Cartesian form let vector A is equals to, in terms of Cartesian form, Ax I cap, Ay j cap, Az k cap. Next another vector, vector B, Bx I cap, By j cap, Bz k cap. Two vectors are given. Now you have to produce the resultant vector in terms of a Cartesian form. Take resultant vector R is equals to A bar dot B bar. What you will get? Right, A bar Ax I cap, Az k cap dot vector B, right as it is, Bx I cap, By j cap plus Bz k cap. So along with the unit vectors you are going to multiply. Look at the board. Stop writing, all of you. See here, first one, everyone stop writing. Look at the board. Ax I cap dot Bx I cap. See here, I cap, I cap, I cap dot I cap. What is the answer? 1. See here, I cap into I cap andre 1 ide. Everyone stop writing. Look at the board, answer me. See here, first term Ax dot Bx along with the direction I cap into I cap. What you will get? 1. Then this will be Ax Bx. This one Ax into By. Here I cap dot j cap. Enide I cap dot j cap 0 na. Then that term should not be right. Otherwise write all the things now. First step ಇದೆ ಬರಿ I cap dot I cap plus same term Ax By I cap dot j cap plus again Ax Bz I cap dot k cap. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ Ax, Ay, Az ಏನ್ರಿ coefficient. Now we are doing a dot product with the orthogonal vectors. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡತ್ತೀನಿ, ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ನ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಡಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಆರ್ಥೋಗೋನಲ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್. ನಾವು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಪ್ಲಸ್ Ay into Bx. What is the Ay? J cap dot I cap. here plus same ay that term by j cap dot j cap plus here ay bz into j cap dot k cap and the last one plus az bx and sigate k cap dot I cap plus az by k cap dot j cap plus az bz k cap dot k cap. Right? Total 9 terms you have to write. Now look at the board. See here, first consider I cap. I cap into I cap andre ಏನಿದೆ ರೀ 1. Then you can write here simply ax bx. Now I cap into j cap ಏನಿದೆ 0 na, whole term is 0. Next go for this one, I cap into j cap, I cap into k cap 0. Here also ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು 0 ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಥರ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋರಿ. Here again j cap into I cap 0 ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ j cap into I cap 0. Here j cap into j cap ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1, that can be written as ay by next this one j cap dot I cap andre 0. Again k cap into I cap 0, k cap into j cap 0. The last term k cap into k cap 1, az bz. This is what resultant are in terms of Cartesian form. ತಿಳಿತೇನ್ರಿ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ನೋಡುವ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಜನರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. Very much.